Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to guide you through the process of crocheting beautiful and intricate oak leaves step by step. If you plan to sew the oak leaves, then leave a long piece of thread before you start crocheting. If not, then crochet normally. Start by making a chain of 10 chain stitches. Starting from the second stitch from the hook, crochet 4 single crochets into the back loops. In the next stitch, we crochet 1/2 double crochet. In the next 2 stitches, we will crochet 2 double crochets. Next, carefully make 1/2 double crochet. In the last stitch, work 2 single crochets, and then, finally, gently, in the end, 3. Chain stitches and 2 single crochets. This forms an arch. Now we crochet from the other side of the chain. 1/2 double crochet. In the next 2 stitches, you will need to work a total of 2 double crochet stitches in each of them. Now, again, just simply 1/2 double crochet. And then finally, 1 single crochet. Leave 3 stitches unworked carefully, and gently. Turn the piece, with precision. To begin, first, carefully row, chain stitch, and then work 7 single crochets. In the arch made of 3 chain stitches, we crochet the same arch, 2 double crochets 3. Chain stitches, and 2 single crochets, carefully. Then we work 7 single crochets again, and precisely. Do not complete 3 stitches. Turn, 3rd row, chain stitch. Now carefully work 9 single crochet stitches in the next stitch. We carefully and meticulously knit an arch once again, which consists of 2 columns, followed by 3 chain stitches, and then another 2 columns. After completing this, we proceed to knit 6 columns, without a yarn over, ensuring each step is done with precision. Leave 3 columns, turn, row 4, chain stitch, then knit 8 columns without yarn over. We will start by creating another arch. This involves knitting 2 columns, followed by 3 chain stitches, and then another 2 columns. After completing this, we proceed to knit 8 columns in total, Leave 3 columns, turn, row, 5, chain stitch. Next, you will need to knit a total of 10 stitches. This is an important step in the process, so take your time to ensure each stitch is even and consistent. After completing the 10 stitches, you will then proceed to make a chain stitch. This chain stitch helps to secure the work and maintain the tension. Once the chain stitch is complete, you will knit 2 more stitches, followed by an additional 3 stitches. Remember to keep your yarn tension steady throughout to achieve the best results. Using quality knitting needles and yarn can also make a significant difference in the ease and outcome of your knitting project. To create a foundation for your crochet project, begin by making a series of chain stitches, followed by 2 additional stitches to secure the base and ensure stability. Next, we will carefully knit 3 stitches, ensuring each stitch is even and consistent. This involves looping the yarn around the needle and pulling it through to create each stitch. Skip the next 7 stitches, then turn your work around. Proceed to row 6 and make a chain stitch. Knit 5 stitches. Another arch. 2 stitches, 3 chain stitches, and 2 stitches. To continue with your knitting project, carefully knit 5 stitches. Hold your needles correctly, ensuring the yarn is tensioned. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle, wrap the yarn around, and pull through to form a new stitch. Repeat for all 5 stitches, maintaining even tension for consistency. Leave 7 stitches. Turn. 7th row. Carefully knit a chain stitch. 7 stitches. Next, we will carefully crochet 1 single column into the arch, ensuring precision and attention to detail. To begin, you should carefully and precisely make a total of 5 chain stitches. Starting from the second chain stitch from the hook, crochet 4 columns into the back loops. We crochet 1 more column without a yarn over into the arch. The base of the leaf is ready. Now we will crochet to give it shape. Let's call the crocheting feathers. So we will crochet the first feather. 1 column. Next column. In the next column, half double crochet. Next column, we will make 2 half double crochets. To begin with, firstly, we will carefully and precisely proceed to create a single chain stitch, and then, we will delicately crochet a slip stitch into the exact same column. The first feather, which is now completely prepared, is ready. The second feather, on the other hand, is also ready. A slip stitch. Then 1 column without a yarn over, 1 half double crochet. And in the top column, we make 2 columns with a yarn over. To begin, you will need to make a total of 2 chain stitches, followed by a slip stitch into the same stitch. The second feather is now completely ready and prepared. For the third feather, you will need to carefully go down 2 rows in your pattern. Begin by making a slip stitch, which is a simple stitch used to join work or to move yarn to a different part of the project without adding height. After that, proceed with 1 single crochet, which is a basic stitch that creates a dense and tight fabric. Finally, complete the sequence with 3 half double crochets, a versatile stitch that is taller than a single crochet, but shorter than a double crochet, providing a nice texture and height to your work. 1 double crochet stitch. And in the last stitch, we simply make 3 double crochet stitches. chain stitches and a slip stitch into the same stitch. The fourth feather. We go down 2 rows to the next stitch. Slip stitch, 1 single crochet. In the top we make 1/2 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and continue this pattern until the end of the row, ensuring each stitch is even and consistent throughout. To begin, create 2 chain stitches followed by a slip stitch into the same stitch. This forms the foundation of your crochet pattern, ensuring a secure and stable start for your project. The top 5th feather. Go down 2 rows, slip stitch, then 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch, 2 single crochets. So, we have knitted one side of the feather. The second side is knitted exactly as a mirror of the first side. We continue with the 5th feather, and on the other side we crochet 2 single crochets into the first stitch. Then 1 single crochet and a slip stitch, just like that. Nice and easy. The 6th feather is a crucial step in our pattern. We rise up 2 rows, which is essential for the design. Slip stitch, followed by 2 chain stitches, then proceed with 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, ensuring consistency. Complete with 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, to maintain the pattern's integrity. In the next stitch, make just 1 single crochet and a slip stitch. The 7th feather. We rise 2 rows up, slip stitch, 2 chain stitches. In the same column we make 3 double crochets. Next, 1 double crochet stitch. Then, we carefully knit 3 half double crochets in total. To create the 8th feather, begin by performing a single crochet followed by a slip stitch, then carefully ascend 2 rows to continue the pattern. This process ensures the feather is properly aligned and integrated into the overall design. Very carefully make a slip stitch and then gently 2 chain stitches, and in the same column, work 2 double crochets. Next, you will need to perform a sequence of stitches. Begin by making 1 half double crochet stitch followed by 1 single crochet stitch. Finally, complete the sequence with a slip stitch to secure your work. This process will help in creating a neat and tidy finish to your crochet project, ensuring that all stitches are properly aligned and secured. Continue with the 9th feather. Make a slip stitch, 1 chain stitch, and in the same column work 2 half double crochets. Next, you will need to make 1 half double crochet, followed by 1 single crochet, and then finish with a slip stitch. And just like that, you have completed the feather knee. Now, carefully cut the yarn to finish off your work. We fix and hide. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that it will be useful for your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and share with friends. Take care of yourself and your loved ones, and goodbye everyone.